We hired Guardian Roofing after having a lot of problems with our roof. We had sand that was just filling up our downspouts. We had some concern about tiles and composite pieces falling off the roof. So we had them coming in. They evaluated one area that we had a concern and then did a sampling of the moisture in our attic. And Guardian installed a brand new roof with top of the class type of materials with the proper ventilation at the top of the peaks. And it's absolutely beautiful. I was so surprised that they came in the day after the estimate and started working. It was done in less than a week and very impressive, very professional. The work was done very efficiently and we are so pleased. We also had our gutters replaced and they use these special camel supports, and that will take a lot of load in the future if we ever get major downpours. We are very happy with Guardian. We have new insulation in the attic. They sealed up all the leakage. We would highly recommend them. The one thing that we really liked about Guardian is that they're a locally owned firm, a small business, and I'm a small business. I can appreciate the quality that they put into their work.